Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Jane. Do you like to bake? Today I'm going to teach you how to bake a Basque cheesecake.
Hi Jane.
Hi.
Are you eating my cookies again?
No, I'm preparing the ingredients for the Basque cheesecake. Do you want to help?
Sure, I love cheesecake.
By the way, do you know where the Basque cheesecake originates?
Yeah, it was invented 3 decades ago in Spain.
Yes, you're correct. Let's check the ingredients.
Okay.
Flour, whipping cream, sugar, eggs, and cream cheese.
Then mix them together.
I know. Mix the cream cheese and sugar first until it becomes smooth.
Okay, easy. I'll do it. Is it okay now? My hands are extremely tired.
Haha, I have something for you. Blender!
Should have taken it out earlier. Much better.
Yeah. Then put the eggs into it.
Easy. Let me show you something. I can crack the egg with one hand.
Wow. Oh my gosh, eggshell.
Maybe it's your problem. When I do it at home, it's always a success.
Then we add the whipping cream and sieve the flour. You can mix it all together. I'll put the parchment paper into the springform pan, then you can pour the batter into it.
See? I'm good at baking.
Give the shark bang on the table to remove the air bubbles. Now, the cake.
Oh.
Then bake it for 30 minutes.
30 minutes? I can't wait to taste it.
Patient. It's more easier than making the pizza. Don't burn it is a generally pretty good rule to stick by. It's time to get the cake!
Finally.
But we need to freeze it for 2 hours.
What? 2 hours? No. It smells so good.
How does it taste like?
To be honest, it's really good. And I enjoy making the Basque cheesecake.
Also, there's no pressure to make it perfect. It's great for beginners.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to make a cheesecake. Remember to ask your parents to help if you want to try it for yourself. For Shane English, this is Teacher Kurt.
And Teacher Jane.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I think I'll eat this one by myself.
I have one here. I made it last week.
I get the old one?